Hi, today I'm going to discuss about hair transplant step-by-step guide. Preparing for a hair transplant surgery involves several steps to ensure the best possible outcome. Here are some tips on how to prepare for a hair transplant and achieve a perfect hairline. Choose an experienced surgeon. First step in preparing for a hair transplant is to choose a qualified and experienced surgeon. Look for a surgeon who has a good track record of successful hair transplant surgeries. Check their credentials and patient reviews. Discuss your goals with your surgeon. During your consultation with your surgeon, discuss your goals and expectations for the hair transplant surgery. Your surgeon can help you determine the best approach to achieve the results you desire, including the placement and design of your new hairline. Avoid smoking and drinking alcohol. It can negatively impact your healing process and increase the risk of complications. It is recommended that you avoid these substances for at least 1 week. Stop taking blood thinning medications. Certain medications such as aspirin, ibuprofen, and blood thinners can increase the risk of bleeding during the procedure. Your surgeon will advise you to stop taking these medications at least 2 weeks before the procedure. Follow a healthy diet. Eating a healthy balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins and minerals can help promote hair growth and healing. Your surgeon may also recommend taking supplements such as biotin, which can help improve hair health. Avoid hair treatments. It is recommended that you avoid any hair treatments including coloring, perming or relaxing for at least 1 week before and after the procedure. This will help protect your scalp and ensure the best possible results. Prepare your scalp. On the day of the procedure, make sure your scalp is clean and free from any hair products or oil. Your surgeon may recommend that you shave your head before the procedure to ensure a clear view of the scalp. By following these tips and working closely with your surgeon, you can prepare your scalp for a hair transplant procedure and achieve a perfect hairline. Modified hair implantation at We Plant Hair Clinics, Mumbai and Kerala is the most preferred hair transplant option compared to other hair transplant techniques. For more information, please check the description below.